In this video, I am testing a process to make a rounded corner with Walnut. Using Autodesk Fusion, I modeled the corner piece using multiple layers. A dovetail joint will be machined to connect the sides. I made two mistakes with the CNC. First, I used an upcut bit, which resulted in a bit of tear out along the top edges. Second, I didn't machine deep enough, which means I also ended up with rough bottom edges. I'll fix this with some wood filler. I drilled 1/4-inch holes in each part. This will help with alignment during the glue up. Since this is a test, I don't mind the dowel holes, but in the final piece, I'll make sure that they do not punch through the top and bottom edges. To make the dovetail joint, I cut a hole in the wasteboard and firmly secured the corner part. For future parts, I'll probably make a jig to make this process easier, but this worked out pretty great. On to sanding and finishing. As I mentioned, I used wood filler to correct for the tear out, but as you can see, the color just didn't match at all. Overall, I am happy with the result. I'll call this test a success, and I know what I need to do to correct for the final production run.